Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I just got back from a motorcycle ride and we're going to make some chili. So if you would like to watch me make easy stovetop chili, please keep watching.
Okay, here's what you need for the chili. 2 or 3 large cloves of garlic chopped roughly, a onion chopped roughly, a pepper chopped roughly. Also a pound of spicy sausage and a pound of ground beef, 1 whole bag of yellow corn, a 1/4 cup of chili powder, black beans drained and rinsed, tomato paste, a whole large can of chili beans with the juice included, and then 2 cans of diced tomatoes, or I have plum tomatoes that I'm going to dice myself. And that's it. So I'm going to turn my heat on high, put a little olive oil in the bottom of the pan, and I'm going to cook my sausage and my hamburger. I'm just going to combine these two together and get all the chunks out of it and cook it until it's just gray. Now I'm going to add my garlic and onions, saute that for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then the peppers, also saute that about 1 to 2 minutes. Now I'm adding all my tomatoes. The chili beans with the sauce, the black beans that are drained and rinsed, and the tomato paste. I'm just going to stir that tomato paste in. Then I'm going to add my chili powder and 2.5 cups of water. I'm going to cook this for about a half an hour on the simmer, and then you can add your corn now or you can add it later. It really doesn't matter. It's just frozen corn. And then you just serve it. I have avocado, cheese, and sour cream.
Okay, our chili is all done. It took about 45 minutes from start to finish. So it's a fast chili, but it's really delicious. It tastes great. Let me try it. I know it tastes good because I've already had it. Yep, it's really good. So if you would like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.